Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the microphone on your Samsung keyboard. So if you look in the bottom left, you can actually see the microphone right here. So it's kind of hidden, so you might not see it on the toolbar. So what we want to do to enable this, if it's not on there, go to Settings. Go to Settings one more time, and then scroll all the way down. Go to General Management. Then go to where it says Samsung Keyboard Settings. Scroll on down, and there should be an option on here for voice typing somewhere, if we look closely. So here's voice input. Now it may be selected none, so that's why it's not showing up. Just choose Samsung voice input for your Samsung keyboard. You can see I have Google voice typing on there too. So let's go to Samsung voice input. Now if I choose a different voice input, let's see if that shows up. So you can see it's still showing up, but I'm using the Google one. It's a little bit different. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.